Hello beautiful people, Yasmin here. Welcome to Juliet Kitchen. Today I'm sharing with you another one of my chicken recipes. This one is seasoned with dried porcini mushrooms. It's absolutely a favorite of ours. So stick around long enough and you'll be able to see how I pull together this amazingly delicious and juicy chicken recipe. Okay, I'm going to start by making a paste. Let's add the ingredients to a bowl. Ground porcini mushrooms, sage chopped, thyme leaves, crushed garlic, sea salt, fresh ground black pepper, extra virgin olive oil. Mix it all together. I'm using a 4-pound chicken. Season it all over with the marinade inside the cavity. I'm using a spoon to get under the skin. Tie the drumsticks with kitchen twine. Tuck the wings underneath the chicken breast. Cover and refrigerate 2 hours. Okay, our chicken is ready to be baked. I took this out of the refrigerator at least 30 minutes before you put it in the oven. Has been preheated at 350 degrees. I also added a rack underneath the chicken so that any of the drippings, the chicken won't be sitting in it. So I'm going to take this to the oven now. Okay, our roasted chicken should be just about ready to come out of the oven. So let's take a look. Wow, this chicken looks amazing. You want to roast the chicken until it comes out to 175, 180 is fine. I personally prefer my chicken at 175 degree internal temperature. And then just use the pan dripping once you take it out and baste the chicken with it. I'm going to tent this loosely with foil wrap and allow it to sit 15 up to 30 minutes. It'll continue to cook as well along the way, and then it will be easier to cut and all of the beautiful juices are going to be retained inside. My favorite moment, tasting. That was a big piece of chicken, but the flavor is absolutely perfect. It's juicy, it's tender, cooked to perfection. I do hope you'll take some time to make this beautiful and delicious recipe and enjoy it as much as we do around here. Until next time, happy cooking!